Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. On this video I'm gonna show you how to fix some problems on using Cinema HD on your mobile phone. Okay, so you just go to your store, your Play Store or iTunes, doesn't matter, just look for Cinema HD, this one. The first thing you might want to do is try to check if there is some update on this blue bar right there. If it has, you might want to, update the app, of course. Another thing, you just try to look for your Wi-Fi device, Wi-Fi service, if it's okay for any other app on your phone, your mobile data for your device, like 4G or 5G internet. I don't know if you use some payform or Wi-Fi. Okay, and a last thing you might want to do is go to your app. You just hold it and go to properties and look for the cache. You want to clear the cache, all the information that it's not necessary for the app. So you might want to delete all this cache files. Okay, so that's it. These 3 steps may want to help you to solve these problems of Cinema HD performance. Okay, so thank you so much for today's video. I hope you enjoy, hope you learn it. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.